In this video, we want to find the direction in which the directional derivative of f of xy equals 5x squared minus 6xy squared plus 7y at the point 1, 1 is maximized, and find the maximum value. Whenever we're trying to find the directional derivative, we first want to calculate the gradient. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to x and y. With respect to x, we get 10x minus 6y squared. With respect to y, we get negative 12xy plus 7. And now we want to evaluate it at the point 1, 1. So that's just going to be 4 and negative 5. Now for the direction, so we want to find the direction. We need to represent the vector as a unit vector. So the direction we found was 4, negative 5. The problem is the length is not 1. So what we need to do is divide by its own length. So the length of 4, negative 5, we do the square root of 4 squared plus negative 5 squared to get square root of 41. So then we're just going to take our gradient vector and just divide it by the square root of 41 to get 4 over the square root of 41, comma negative 5 over square root of 41. Now to find the maximum value, that's just going to be the gradient, the magnitude of the gradient. So we already calculated that over here. That's square root of 41. So to summarize, the direction is going to be 4 over square root of 41, comma negative 5 over square root of 41. And the maximum value is the square root of 41. And so that's going to be our final answer.